In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy formatting in Google Docs. This simple technique can save you a ton of time when you want different parts of your document to look consistent without manually changing each setting, like font, size, color, or bold. Think of it as a quick way to pick up a style from one place and paint it onto another. Start by opening the Google Docs file that contains the text with the look you want to reuse. Make sure the document is fully loaded and that you can see the toolbar at the top. That toolbar is where the formatting tools live, and we'll be using one of them in a moment. Next, select the text that already looks the way you want. Click and drag over it to highlight it. This could be a single word, a sentence, a heading, or even an entire paragraph. The key here is to include all the styling you want to copy. Formatting can include things like the font family and size, bold or italic, text color, highlighting, and even certain paragraph attributes like alignment and spacing. If you want to carry over paragraph level settings, it's a good idea to select the whole paragraph, not just a word, so those details come along. With your example text highlighted, head up to the toolbar and click the paint format icon. It looks like a little paint roller. Once you click it, your cursor changes to indicate you're in formatting mode. You haven't changed anything yet. You've just told Docs to remember the style of the selection you highlighted. Now move to the text you want to change. Click and drag over that text to highlight it just as you would when selecting for editing. As soon as you release your mouse, Google Docs applies the copied formatting to your new selection. You'll see the font, size, color, and other attributes update instantly to match your original text. If the result isn't what you expected, double check that you selected the right amount of source text and that you highlighted exactly what you wanted to change. Finally, take a moment to review the result. Make sure the updated text matches the look of your original selection. This quick method is perfect for keeping headings uniform, matching callouts, or standardizing body text without manually clicking through formatting options again and again. This method lets you quickly duplicate styles without manually applying each formatting option again. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.